Let's start with Unit 1. Computer Fundamental. History of Computer. History of Computer. Charles Babbage credited with inventing the first computer. ID was the first mechanical computer. Use for arithmetic operation. Start digital transmission. Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine. It was this design that the basic framework of the computers of today are based on. Computer generations. Computer generations. First generations. The period of first generation, 1946 to 1959. Vacuum tube-based. Second generations. The period of second generation, 1959 to 19 transistor-based. Generations. The period of third generation, 1965 to 1971. Integrated circuit-based. Fourth generations. The period of fourth generation, 1971 to 1980. VLSI microprocessor-based. Fifth generations. The period of fifth generation, 1980 onwards. ULSI microprocessor-based. First generations. The period of first generation was 1946 to 1959. They using vacuum tubes as the basic components for memory and circuitry for CPU central processing unit. Tubes produced a lot of heat and were prone to frequent fusing of the installations. Therefore, were very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organizations. Feature of first generations. Vacuum tube technology. Unreliable. Supported machine language only. Very costly. Generate lot of heat. Slow input/output device. Huge size. Need of AC non-portable. Computer name of first generations. ENIAC. EDVAC. UNIVAC. IBM 701. IBM 650. Second generations. The period of second generation was 1959 to 1965. Transistors were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size, more reliable and faster than the first generation machines. Vacuum tubes in this generation. Magnetic cores were used as primary memory and magnetic tape and magnetic disks as secondary storage devices. Feature of second generations. Use of transistors. Reliable as compared to first generation computers. Smaller size as compared to first generation computers. Generate less heat as compared to first generation computers. Consumed less electricity as compared to first generation computers. Faster than first generation computers. Still very costly. BASIC needed. Support machine and assembly languages. Computer name of second generations. IBM 1620. IBM 7094. CDC 1604. CDC 3600. UNIVAC 1108. Third generation. The period of third generation was 1965 to 1971. The use of integrated circuits ICs in place of transistors. A single IC has many transistors, resistors and capacitors along with the associated circuitry. In this generation, remote processing, time sharing, real-time, multi-programming operating system were used. Feature of third generation. IC used. More reliable. Smaller size. Generate less heat. Faster. lesser maintenance, still costly. A.C. needed, consumed lesser electricity. Support high-level language. IBM 360 series. Honeywell 6000 series. PDP Personal Data Processor. IBM 370 over 168. TDC 316. Fourth generation. The period of fourth generation was 1971 to 1980. VLSI circuits having about 5,000 transistors and other circuit elements and their associated circuits. Fourth generation computers became more powerful, compact, reliable, and affordable. As a result, it gave rise to personal computer PC revolution. Feature of fourth generation. VLSI technology used. Very cheap, portable and reliable. Use of PCs. Very small size. Pipeline processing. No AC needed. Concept of Internet was introduced at developments in the fields of networks. Computers became easily available. Computer name of fourth generation. December 10th. Star 1000. PDP-11. Cray 1 supercomputer. Cray XMP supercomputer. Fifth generation. VLSI technology became ULSI ultra-large-scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI artificial intelligence software. All the higher-level languages like C and C++, Java, .NET, etc. are used in this generation. Robotics. Neural networks. Game playing. Development of expert systems to make decisions in real-life situations. Natural language understanding and generation. Feature of fifth generation. ULSI technology. Development of true artificial intelligence. Development of natural language processing. Advancement in parallel processing. Advancement in superconductor technology. More user-friendly interfaces with multimedia features. Availability of very powerful and compact computers at cheaper rates. Computer name of fifth generation. Desktop. Laptop. Notebook. Ultrabook. Chromebook. Check your progress. Question 1. Who discovered a computer? Charles Babbage. Charles Cooke. Rock, Hungary. Bill Smith. Question 2. How many generations come in computer history? 1, 2, 3, 5. Question 3. Who used vacuum tube? First generation. Second generation. Third generation. Fourth generation. Question 4. IC stand for integrated circuit. Inter-circuit. Interconnect. Interchange. Question 5. ULSI stand for ultra-large scale integration. Ultra-large system integration. Union-less system information. Ultra-light system interchange. Question 6. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. Central Progress Unit. Central Play Unit. Central Page User. Question 7. Who used transistors? First generation. Second generation. Third generation. Fifth generation. Question A. What is PDP? Personal Data Processor. Personal Data Plan. Personal Data Protect. Private Drive Play. Question 9. Which generation use Java? First generation. Second generation. Third generation. Fifth generation. Question 10. Which generation use ULSI? First generation. Second generation. Third generation. Fifth generation. Thank you.